This video is going to demonstrate unloading pallets from a shipment and putting them back into inventory in SAP Business One using Agility 360's Unload Pallets. First, we're going to start by taking a look at the pallet in the system. Here we have shipment number 203. The pallet we're going to remove from the shipment is 9681 with a quantity of 6 of FD027 on it. This pallet is going to be removed from the shipment and it's going to destroy the shipment in the system since it's currently the only items that are on it. Now if we take a look at the pallet in our inventory pallet view, I'm going to scan the barcode 9681. You can see here it says it's on the shipment and it's in bin 05-S. I'm going to minimize that. I'm going to pull up my Agility 360 emulator. This is going to show Agility 360 exactly how it would look on a mobile device in your warehouse. And we're going to switch from distribution over to pallets. We're going to select unload pallet. And we're going to start by entering in our shipment, that 203. We're going to scan our pallet, 9681. Now we're going to scan the bin we're going to assign it to, which is going to be 05-D. And now it's going to ask us just to go ahead and put in the date and time for tracking. We're going to assign that there and save. Now that's taken place, we're going to jump back over to our Agility grids. We'll go ahead and refresh this here and take a look at the pallet. As you can see, it's no longer on that shipment and has now been assigned to that new bin 05-D. And if we go back over and look at our shipment, not only will this pallet be removed, but the shipment itself will also be removed now that there's nothing on it. We'll go ahead and refresh. Shipment 203 not found. That shipment no longer exists in the system because there's no longer anything on it. Thank you for watching.